Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your iPhone or Mac must support Apple Pay and use the same Apple ID as Wallet. Add a card to Wallet now because Steam checks billing info. Once done, make sure the billing address exactly matches your Steam account. Open Steam and pick an item to buy. At checkout, select the option to pay. On iOS, you'll see Apple Pay. On desktop, you may be redirected to an Apple Pay flow. This gets you to the payment step quickly. Once you reach Steam's checkout, choose Apple Pay from the list. If you don't see it, select Payment Options and retry. Steam shows Apple Pay when Wallet and the browser support it. Confirm billing and shipping details. They must match your Apple Wallet entry to avoid declines. Then authenticate the charge using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Mac's secure confirmation. This signs and sends the tokenized payment. After authorization, Steam receives a token, not your card number, so the transaction is secure. You finish by waiting for Steam's confirmation. Once you see it and receive an email, check your library or wallet top-up balance. If the purchase doesn't complete, make sure your wallet card is active, billing address matches Steam, and your Steam region aligns with the card's country. If authentication repeatedly fails, restart your device and retry. If problems persist, note the transaction time and any error codes. Then contact Apple or Steam support with that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.